Scikit-Learn, how to calculate root mean square error, Rmse, in percentage? I have a data set, found in this link, at this URL, of the following format. The third column, y, in my dataset is my true value. That's what I wanted to predict, estimate. I want to do a prediction of y, i.e. predict the current value of y according to the previous 100 rolling values of x. For this, I have the following Python script work using random forest regression model. At the end, I measured the root mean square error, Rmse, and got an Rmse of 19.57. From what I have read from the documentation, it says that squared errors have the same units as of the response. Is there any way to present the value of an Rmse in percentage? For example, to say this percent of the prediction is correct and this much wrong. There is a check_a function for calculating mean absolute percentage error, MAPE, in the recent version of Scikit-Learn, but it doesn't seem to work the same way as the previous version when I try it as in the following. This is returning an error, a value error column, not enough values to unpack, expected 2, got 1. And this seems to be that the check_a function in the recent version returns only a single value, unlike the previous version. Is there any way to present the Rmse in percentage or calculate MAPE using Scikit-Learn for Python?
Your implementation of calculate_MAPE is not working because you are expecting the check_arrays function, which was removed in Scikit-Learn 0.16. Check_array is not what you want. This Stack Overflow answer gives a working implementation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.